Hostinger has become one of the most popular web hosting platforms. But as Hostinger has grown, it has also added web hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, eCommerce, WordPress, an AI website builder, Horizons, Node.js, and even hosting for AI agents. And for first-time users, choosing between all of these services can get confusing very quickly. Hey, my name is Eric, and in this video, I'll break down Hostinger's hosting products, explain what each service is actually designed for, and help you select the right option for your website. I'll explain the main types of hosting, compare the different ways you can build your website, and then I'll show you how to purchase hosting and quickly publish a website using Hostinger's AI website builder. The easiest way to understand Hostinger is to separate its products into three categories. First, we have the actual hosting. This includes web hosting, cloud hosting, and VPS hosting. Next, we have the platforms used to build your website. These include WordPress, Hostinger AI website builder, and Hostinger Horizons, as well as Node.js. Finally, Hostinger has specialized services, including its e-commerce setup and pre-configured hosting for AI agents. Your hosting determines the server resources behind your project. Your website building platform determines how you create and manage the actual website. WordPress, Hostinger's AI website builder, and Horizons are not different types of hosting. These are all website building platforms that can be used on the same hosting plan and are different ways to build out a website project using Hostinger. First, let's look at basic web hosting. This is the option I'd recommend for most people, especially if you're creating your first website. With web hosting, Hostinger manages the underlying server environment for you. You don't need to install an operating system or configure server software or understand server administration. Hostinger currently has a few options for hosting plans, including Premium, Unlimited, and Cloud Startup. The Unlimited plan is the option that I would recommend for most users. It provides more storage, more server resources, daily backups, a few free vibe coding AI credits, and a lot of room for creating multiple websites. Cloud Startup, on the other hand, provides even more resources, on-demand backups, and a dedicated IP address. However, for most beginners, they won't need that level of performance, at least not immediately. For most business websites, I'd recommend starting with the Unlimited plan. It gives you the best balance between price, features, backups, and room to grow. Next, we have cloud hosting. This is for websites that need a bit more power than normal web hosting, but they don't require the owner to manage an entire server. Cloud hosting is still managed by Hostinger. You continue using the hPanel, and Hostinger continues managing the underlying server environment. The main difference is the amount of resources available to your websites. Cloud hosting provides more processing power, memory, storage, PHP workers, and database capacity. This allows servers to handle more visitors and activity at the same time. So for example, a busy e-commerce store, they may have customers searching for products, logging into accounts, adding items to their carts, checking inventory, and completing payments. Every one of those actions requires processing power and database activity. For cloud hosting plans, Hostinger offers Cloud Startup, Cloud Professional, and Cloud Enterprise. And as you move up in these plans, you get more CPU power, more RAM, more storage, and overall more capacity. Cloud hosting can be a good choice for an established WooCommerce store, a busy membership website, or a high-traffic blog. For most beginners, I'd recommend you start with unlimited web hosting. You can always upgrade to cloud hosting later when your website actually needs the additional resources. Next, we'll talk about VPS hosting. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server, and this option gives you much more control over the server. A VPS is a physical server that is divided into multiple isolated virtual servers. Each VPS is allocated processing power, memory, storage, and its own operating system. Unlike web hosting or managed cloud hosting, VPS gives you administrative or root level access. This means you can install your own software, modify the server configuration, run Docker containers, create private databases, and build completely customized hosting environments. A VPS can be used for automation platforms such as NAN, custom SaaS applications, game servers, Python applications, Node.js projects, private databases, and self-hosted AI agents. The advantage here is control. The disadvantage is responsibility. Hostinger provides templates and AI-assisted tools that can make VPS management a lot easier, but a VPS is still more technical than standard web hosting. A VPS may be more powerful and flexible, but that doesn't automatically make it the best option for a normal website. If you simply want a WordPress website, a business website, or an online store, web hosting or cloud hosting will usually be much easier. Next, let's talk about hosting for AI agents. Hostinger also promotes hosting for specific AI agents in self-hosted applications. These may appear to be completely new types of hosting, but underneath it all, they are generally Hostinger's VPS plans. The difference is that Hostinger provides pre-configured deployment for the selected application. Instead of manually installing the operating system, Docker, and the application, Hostinger prepares much of the initial setup for you. But you still may need to connect API keys, configure integrations, manage security, and maintain the application. The simplest explanation is that AI agent hosting is VPS hosting with a pre-configured deployment for a specific service. Next up, we have Hostinger eCommerce. This is better understood as a guided e-commerce setup process rather than a completely separate type of hosting. Hostinger eCommerce guides you through adding products, connecting payment methods, configuring shipping, managing inventory, and receiving orders. You may be able to begin with a product and generate a direct checkout link. However, when you want to create a complete online storefront, Hostinger redirects you to its main website builder services. Hostinger eCommerce manages products, payments, inventory, shipping, and orders. This works well for some smaller businesses that want a simple and guided e-commerce setup, but for a larger or more customizable store, you can use WordPress with WooCommerce or Hostinger Horizons. Next, we have website builders. After purchasing hosting, Hostinger will ask you how you want to create your website. The main options are WordPress, Hostinger's AI website builder, Hostinger Horizons, and Node.js. First, we have WordPress. WordPress is one of the most popular content management systems on the internet, and it's what many people use to build and manage their websites. WordPress can be used to build business websites, blogs, portfolios, and e-commerce stores. It gives you access to thousands of themes, templates, and plugins. WordPress provides the largest ecosystem and has the most flexibility. However, it also requires more management because you need to select themes, install plugins, and keep everything updated. WordPress is the best option for someone who wants maximum flexibility and plans to expand their website over time. If you want to learn more about WordPress, I'll put a link in the description to a full tutorial. Next, we have Hostinger's AI website builder. This is by far Hostinger's easiest option for beginners and one of the fastest ways to get a website up and running. You begin by entering your business name and describing the type of website you want to create. For example, you could enter something like, create a modern website for a web design agency that helps small businesses create fast and professional websites. Include services, testimonials, an about section, and a contact form. Hostinger then uses that description to generate the initial layout, the text, images, the colors, and the website sections. After the website is generated, you can customize it using Hostinger's visual editor. You can click directly on text to change it, you can replace images, you can rearrange sections, you can add or delete pages, and adjust the fonts and colors. You can also add contact forms, a blog, e-commerce features, and SEO information. The main advantage here is simplicity. Hostinger's AI website builder is a good option for local businesses, something like a local cafe or restaurant, or maybe a smaller online store. The trade-off is that it does not have the same large third-party ecosystem as WordPress. But when your priority is publishing a professional website quickly, Hostinger's website builder is probably the easiest choice. Next, let's talk about Hostinger Horizons. Horizons is different from the normal Hostinger website builder because it focuses more on vibe coding rather than traditional drag and drop website builders. With Horizons, you describe the features through prompts, and AI generates a customized website or web application. Horizons can be used to create customer websites, stores, or tool websites like one of those calculator websites. For example, you could ask Horizons to create a restaurant website where customers can create an account, choose a date, and make a reservation. Then they can log in and manage their booking. Then you can continue prompting Horizons to change the design, you can add pages, create new functions, Horizons gives you a lot of freedom, a lot more freedom than the hosting or website builder. But it also requires prompting and possibly some troubleshooting because AI is generating custom application logic, and that's not something that everybody wants to deal with. Horizons can be a good choice for traditional businesses or informational websites. Use Horizons when visitors need to log in, enter information, use dashboards, or interact with custom tools. Next, we have Node.js web applications. This option is mostly intended for developers who already have a coded project. You can connect a GitHub repository, upload project files, or deploy code that's created using tools like Claude Code, Cursor, or VS Code. This is useful when you created a custom website or application outside of Hostinger, and now you want to deploy it to your hosting account. Now that we understand the options, let's purchase a hosting plan and publish a website. For this tutorial, I'll be selecting the unlimited web hosting plan. Choose the unlimited plan, and then Hostinger will take you to the shopping cart. The first option is the hosting period. Hostinger may offer 1 month, 12 month, 24 month, and 48 month terms. Longer plans provide the lowest average monthly cost, but you'll pay the full price upfront. For example, when Hostinger displays a monthly price based on 48 months, check the total amount that will be charged today. You can also check the renewal price because the introductory discount only applies to your first term. This is why it's an advantage to choose a longer term. I also want to mention that you can get a free domain included if you choose a plan of 12 months or longer, so that can be another great way to save some money. Once you've selected your term, open the coupon code section and enter code ERIC10 for an additional 10% discount. After that, Hostinger will have you create your account, select your payment method, and complete the purchase. After completing your purchase, Hostinger will ask you how you want to build your website. Keep in mind, this screen can change quite often, so I'll do my best to update the video. For this tutorial, we're going to select AI Builder. Selecting AI Builder will allow you to continue with Hostinger's AI Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons. For this demo, let's select Hostinger's Website Builder. Here you can generate a website, publish it, and make it live on the internet very quickly. And don't worry about being locked into this decision. Selecting the AI Website Builder during the initial setup, it doesn't prevent you from using Hostinger's other tools later on. You can always delete this website and add more websites using their other builders later. Once you enter the Hostinger dashboard or hPanel, you can select Add Website and create another project using WordPress, Hostinger Horizons, the AI Website Builder, Node.js, or another supported option. You can create different websites with different platforms under the same eligible hosting plan. So for example, you could create your first website with Hostinger's AI Website Builder and later add a separate website using WordPress or with Hostinger Horizons. After publishing the website, let's take a quick look at the hPanel. The hPanel is Hostinger's dashboard, or its main account and hosting control panel. This is where you manage your websites, hosting plans, domains, professional email addresses, e-commerce services, backups, and other Hostinger products. The website section displays every website connected to your account. And from here, you can edit a website, you can enter the website builder, open WordPress, manage a Node.js application, or enter a Horizons project. Whenever you want to create another website, you just come here and select Add Website. From there, you can create a new website using Hostinger Horizons, WordPress, Hostinger's AI Website Builder, Node.js, or any other supported development option. This is why you don't need to worry about the first website building option you select, because you can always come back here to the hPanel and then use a different Hostinger tool for another website. The easiest way to remember the difference is this. The hPanel manages the Hostinger services and your web hosting. Your selected website builder manages the design and the content of each individual website. Hostinger offers many different products, but choosing the right option doesn't need to be complicated. For most people, I would recommend the unlimited web hosting plan. It allows you to scale and upgrade your hosting at the same time if your website starts to get more popular. As far as building out your website, choose WordPress if you want the most flexibility and access to themes and plugins. Choose Hostinger's AI Website Builder when you want the easiest and fastest ways to publish a professional website. Choose Horizons when you want to create a customized website or interactive web app through AI prompts. Choose Node.js when you already have a coded project. Choose cloud hosting when you have an established website that needs more managed resources. And choose VPS hosting when you need complete control over the server and understand how to manage the software environment. If you want to learn more about Hostinger, check it all out at the link below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.